There she goes up. Okay, now let's go see what's underneath. Bye-bye. Just a bit of surface rust underneath of the car. Incredibly clean. Ciao a tutti. Let's go see what's happening to my Multipla. She's gonna take us there fast. What I did was a bit foolish because when I picked up the car, we drove about, I would say, 2,500–3,000 kilometers on it without doing anything. And that's not what you normally do, especially when you pick up the car, which is almost 25 years old and has 300-something thousand kilometers on the clock. First thing you do, you of course do the all the mechanical checkups and replacements of fluids and what's necessary to replace, belts, etc., etc. But yeah, I'm a bit naive in this way, I guess, because you know, I picked up the car and it seemed really, you know, nice for the age and being taken care of. And so I thought, okay, well, I picked up this car and let's build some trust between us, okay? So we cleaned it up, as you've seen, and we needed a car to drive for the period of time, and we drove it. And it didn't let us down. Let's see what's happening here after the first mechanical inspection. We all know it was covered with oil, so it was obviously losing oil from somewhere. And initially I thought it was the gasket under the valve cover, and yes, absolutely, I was right. Look at these pieces of sealant, and yes, the motor is now all cleaned up, washed thoroughly. As you can see, it's all shiny. So the guys will have to replace the gasket. We will have to replace the coolant because it's got no color anymore. It's supposed to be green or red, pink. It's nothing like that. And of course, oil and filter. And there we go. We'll see how it goes after that. Okay, now let's go see what's underneath. This is the condition of the rear suspension. Just a bit of surface rust, nothing really terrible. The guys from Northern Europe probably will envy because they would never find a Fiat in this condition. Can't see not a single spot of rust. Honestly, I'm amazed. Oil pan gaskets seem to be tight. Let's see the drive shaft boots. They look okay to me. I hope the same is on the left side. That's for you guys, very unreliable Fiat with diesel engine, ha ha ha. 333,000 kilometers. Perfetto. Everybody loves new oil, right?
Right.
A noi piace l'olio extravergine d'oliva, ai motori piace l'olio nuovo.
Sembra piscio di cavallo. Questo liquido non è per questa macchina. che piacerà di più.
That is no good. We have to replace that. And to all of you guys, I would say, don't worry, be happy. Old cars are not as bad as you might think they are. And I wish you luck and see you in the next video. Ciao!